Hey, it's Becky. Vendor events are a great way for finding new selling circles, finding new hostesses, and even getting some new teammates. Something that I do at every vendor event is I have a giveaway. So I'll have a large utility tow or a product from my inventory, and right next to it I'll have a sign that says Win Me. Now for people from the event to enter, they have to fill out one of these door prize slips, and I just highlighted the information that I need to get from them, which is their name, their email, their phone number, and then the preferred method of contact. So they fill all that out, and that goes into the little drawing place. I'll maybe write a couple notes on the back of it, about maybe a conversation that we had to make it a little more personal. And then when the event is over, I'll draw one of the slips and then they will win a prize. Now, before I do that, what I do is I reach out to every single one of the people who filled out one of these slips, and I'll let them know, hey, thanks so much for stopping by my table. I'm so glad I got to meet you. I'm doing the drawing for the free, whatever the product is, on Wednesday, but I would love to give you the opportunity to earn another raffle ticket. So if you want to join my VIP group before Wednesday, I would love to hook you up with an extra ticket. And so I sent that out. I'll send that out to every person who enrolled or who filled out one of these forms. It's a great way for getting new people into my customer group and allowing those people that I met at the vendor event to start the process and building relationships. My VIP group is for relationship building, and so it's a great way that I can get new people in there so they can start getting to know me, getting to like me, getting to trust me, and that's how I find new customers, new hostesses, and get new team members starting at the vendor event.